Hello kids, welcome back to your online class again. Kids, today I have a question in my mind. Will you please help me? Yes. Okay, please tell me what is the alphabet? Okay, the name of this alphabet is O. And what is the phonic sound of this alphabet? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, now you please tell me what comes after O. I mean, what is the after letter of O? Please tell me. Yes, P. Okay, so the after letter of O is P. And what is the phonic sound of P? Say loudly. P, P, P. Okay, now tell me what is the name of this alphabet? Can you tell me? Yes, this is V. And what is the phonic sound of V? Can you tell me? Yes, V, V, V. What is the after letter of V? This is the after letter of V. This is W. This is W. This one is the capital W and this one is the small w. Now, can you tell me what is the phonic sound of W? No? Okay. Please don't cry. I am helping you. The phonic sound of W is wa, wa, wa. Okay.
See children, in this class you can see water, right? Water has no color and water has no shape. Water has no color and water has no shape. See, this is a bowl. From this glass, I will pour the water into this bowl and see, the water is now in the shape of the bowl. Here you can see. See this? Okay? And in the glass, the water is in the shape of this glass. Okay, students?
So, water. Water. When we feel thirsty, that time we drink water. Water. See the next one, please. This is a fruit. This is a dry fruit. The name of the fruit is walnut. Walnut. And walnut has a very hard and wrinkled shell with reddish brown color. Okay? So, walnut. Hey children, can you tell me what is this? This is a wall clock. This is a wall clock. See, in this clock, you can see so many numbers. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12. And you can see also the hands of this clock. Okay, you can see these are called the hands of this clock. So students, wall clock. See children, wall clock. Okay, let's see the next object please. See students, this is a watch. Okay, we can wear this watch on our wrist. So this is a watch. Watch. Hey children, see this picture. What is the picture of? Yes, this is the picture of a fruit. And what is the outer color of the fruit? Correct. Green. Deep green. What is the name of the fruit? Can you tell me? Yes, this is watermelon. Watermelon. Repeat after me. Watermelon. And what is the inner color of watermelon? Can you now tell me? Yes, the inner color of watermelon is red. And watermelon has so many seeds in its inner portion. The color of the seeds is brown. So, watermelon. And watermelon is a summer season fruit. So children, now let's revise what have we learned today. This is the alphabet W and this is small w. This is the capital W. The phonic sound of W is wa. Okay? Water. Watermelon. Walnut. Wall clock. Watch. So, we have learned all these things today. I think you have enjoyed today's class. Keep practicing this at your home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Thank you.